Blade 14.1 from Bloom thermocutter to clean SCP interlayer remains. We sold blades separately from Bloom thermocutter. You can only order blades. If you want to order, please simply send us an email, and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our mail address is cnc@cncglass.com. Our backup mail address is cnc@cnceva.com, and you can also contact us on WhatsApp or WeChat app. Let's review for one more time. Blade 14.1 for Bloom thermocutter to clean SCP interlayer remains. We sold blades separately from the Bloom thermocutter. You can only order blades. Thank you very much for your watching.